We're going to answer this question before us. It is taken from a Year 12 exam from 2020. It says a car manufacturer is reviewing the performance of car Model X. It is known that any given 6-month service, the probability that Model X requiring an oil change is 17 on 20. The probability of Model X requiring an air filter change is 3 on 20. And the probability of it requiring both is 1 on 20. State the probability that any given 6-month service Model X will require an air filter change without an oil change. Now, as I always say, the trickiest part of these questions is figuring out how to represent your data. And with enough practice, hopefully you're able to identify the best way to represent it. So for this one, it's going to be a Karnoff map. So you can either have an air filter change or no air filter change, or an oil change or no oil change. Now, you're told that the probability of requiring an oil change is 17 on 20. So I would come here and in the total column, I would put 17 on 20. We're also told that the probability of requiring an air filter change is 3 on 20. So air filter is going to be 3 on 20. Now, the probability of it requiring both is 1 on 20. So that is oil and air filter. So 1 on 20 here. Now, obviously, we know that this here has to add up to 1. So this blank one here would be 3 on 20. This one here would be 17 on 20. Now, what are we trying to find? We're trying to find the probability that will require an air filter change without an oil change. So that's the probability of an air filter change intersection of no oil change. So that's going to be here, air, but no oil. Now, if this is 3 on 20, this is just going to be 2 on 20. So that means this is 2 on 20, which is the same as 1 on 10. And just like that, we have our answer. So let's highlight it. And I'll also highlight that as well. So that's how you do the first part of this question.